Hi everybody, it's me, Aiden. Welcome back to this new episode. Today, we're going to be making banana chocolate chip pancakes. The ingredients that we're going to be using are pancake batter, chocolate chips, and a banana with some oil for your pan. But I'm using a griddle because my stovetop has a griddle on it. The items that we're going to be using are a spatula, a knife. Always remember guys, with a knife or like a sharp knife like mine, always remember, safety first. Always have a grown-up's help with it. Also, a cutting board, a plate to serve, and different items to scoop with. I'm going to be using a ladle, but you could use a serving spoon, a measuring cup, or a plastic spoon. We don't need this. The first thing we're going to do is preheat the griddle to 270, which is right over there, in between 250 and 300 Fahrenheit. Now let's cut the banana. We'll only be using half, but guys, using a knife, have a little help. We're only going to be using half today. Exactly right over there. Right guys, that's half, right? I like that crackling sound when you cut through a banana. Now guys, I really like to use not this end, but this end because this end has the black part. Let's peel it. Cut, not as thin, but not too thick. Exactly that thick. So when you're cutting it, like that thick. Oh, that was a little too thin, guys. Like that, like that. I don't like the ends. I'll just eat it. Oh, that's good. Nice. Now we'll put it aside on the cutting board, so it's not in the middle and bunky. Now, guys, you wanna get the chocolate chips. Make sure they're not stuck together from the heat. If you ever used them before, next to a jar or on a pan. Exactly that much is good enough. Don't let it fall off your cutting board, guys. 3 more. Close the lid. And now, stir up your batter. I do not need a plastic spoon. Guys, just use a ladle, but this time you want to stir your batter. Now, guys, we want to walk over to the griddle with the oil. Now, you want to spray it evenly. I'm using a spray bottle, guys, but you could just use a bottle and then just spread it all over with a brush. Now, guys, we want to bring our ingredients over and put it over here. Now, take the batter, put it over, and let's see if it's hot. Yeah, that is hot. Guys, we need to have a grown-up supervision when we are using fire or griddle. Now we need to get our flipper. I'm going to put it right over here on the spoon holder. Now we want to grab a decent amount of batter to put on top. Ooh, that's heavy because it's thick. You hear that sizzle? It means the griddle is hot. Now guys, we want to put some bananas on top. Be careful with this step. Have a grown-up do for you. Ooh, that almost fell. 3 bananas and a couple chocolate chips. Spread your chocolate chips all over and push them in. I like to push them in so you don't go all over the griddle. Now, we want to make one more. Guys, when you start to see browning around it, it's time to flip, but it's not browning yet. Now, that looks like it's ready to flip. Now, grab your flipper and get ready to flip. Ooh, guys, it's kind of hard to flip. You see that, guys? A perfect brown. Let's see if this is ready. Almost. Guys, do you think we should make one more little pancake? Just to be a little cute? Yeah, but this time a little. Super little. This. That's all we need. 1 small banana and a couple chocolate chips. Just to be a little cute. Ooh, on the griddle. Too late. We got some melted chocolate. I think this is ready to flip now. Yep, it's browned. Flip. You see that, guys? Almost done. Ooh, look at that, guys. We still gotta wait for this one to cook, though. Now we're waiting until it's done, guys, to make sure when it's done, so we can take it off on the plate. It's still not done. But one thing that I like to do is hold it to the side, so it cooks the sides. And then I roll it. Break it. Yeah, the small pancake is done, guys. Because a small amount cooks faster. Let's just see if this finally cooked, or I'm just gonna have a meltdown. Finally, it cooked. So guys, you're not gonna see me have a meltdown. Now I want to cook this one on the side too. We don't want to eat raw batter. Let's see if this is done. By breaking it open. Yes, it's done. It's stretchy and puffy. Now we're just waiting for this one. See. Ooh. Almost about done. This side is a little raw at the bottom. I flipped it a little drawer. It's done, guys. Click the bottom. Yay! Now you want to turn off your griddle. Now, guys, we have one last step. That's why we need to also take the little cutting board. That's what I cut my banana for. Cut it super carefully around the outer edge. So you see that little groove. Like that. Then you're perfectly able to get it. And then do that. Now you want to cut it along that way. Down, down, down. Now you want to cut it into little cubes. Now guys, you want to sprinkle the cubes on top. Put a couple here, put a couple there. I love cooking. I love cooking. Now guys, we have the last banana, which will go right over here. Some extra chocolate chips, guys. And sprinkle them on top. These are going to be non-melted. A little more. Done! It's finally done, guys. Guys, now I'm going to plate my pancake with the small one and the super small one. It's cute, right, guys? Guys, it looks so good. I hope you enjoyed cooking with me. Now it's time to try it. So good. Bye. Yeah.